Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys. For your love energies, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can skip to the timestamp, guys, and you can watch that reading. So let's start with our daily reading so that love reading will follow this daily reading, guys. So it's Seven of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Wands, King of Cups. With these cards, guys, for your daily energies, Taurus, people feel you are a very creative person, or you may feel this way about your person, guys, that they are very creative, passionate and outspoken, and for you always action is the only thing that is important for you. So you are a person of action. Whatever choices that you make, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you simply implement it in your life and you jump into action immediately. That is what I see, and people see you as a very creative and talented person, guys. That is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you, there may be people who are not trustworthy. That may be in your work situation or in your personal life. Maybe some friend or some family member, they are hiding some truth, guys. That is what I see. And maybe in your business or in your work, there may be some delays or suspensions in your projects or some financial deals. Some kind of obstacles are there. That is also what I see with these cards, guys. And maybe for some of you, in this relationship or in your work situation, you are thinking about that accomplishments and your dreams that you need to accomplish still, and what is the path and what is your next plan of action. You are thinking deeply about all that and you are making a choice. You have reached the end of results, the end of efforts in certain situations, and you are enjoying that result today. You are seeing the end of your efforts. So whatever efforts that you have made till now, you are enjoying the successful results, guys. That is what I see. So this may be in your personal life or in your career situation, guys. So that is the daily energy. So for your love reading, you can click on the pile and skip to the timestamp to watch that video, guys. So that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. So we'll be picking 5 cards for your love reading. So let's start with the first deck. We will keep this card. Let's see what is coming up for y'all, guys. So this reading will resonate for all signs, guys, for your love energy. So let's see what is coming up. I'll be picking cards in random, guys. King of Pentacles, King of Swords, Two of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. Knight of Pentacles in reverse and Nine of Wands. So with these cards, guys, the energy for your love reading for what you feel about this connection, or what your person feels about this connection. So you are a person of many talents, and your person sees you as a very skilled and talented person, and you are able to deal with any situation efficiently. So they have that great attraction towards you guys. They have high regards for you and respect for you for how you deal with your situation. And you are a person who is ready for them, always ready to face anything that is coming up. So you are always there for them, and they see you as their strength and a person of great strength and courage. So they rely on you, or you rely on this person. You see that person as your source of strength and trust. You feel that you can rely on them whatever the situation is. And maybe for some of you, you may be even taking suggestions from them, what you need to do in your situation, guys. That is also the energy here. And though certain situations, certain things are happening in your situations that may be quite stressful. Maybe you have some minor misunderstandings, some quarrels, but still you share a great understanding that compatibility is there in this relationship, and you understand each other's strengths and weaknesses. So you share a great understanding with this person. That is also what I see here, guys. That compatibility is there whatever the situation is. Maybe some some minor arguments may be there in any relationship, guys. We are bound to argue. At some point we will not be able to agree what that other person is saying. So minor quarrels and some fights will be there in any relationship, but apart from all that, you share a great understanding with this person, and you know their strength, you know their weakness, and you know that you can rely on this person. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be spending time with them, taking rest, maybe taking your day off, and you're spending time with them, guys. That is also the energy here, guys. So let us see what is coming with the other cards. So we will keep these cards aside. So for the second deck, I'll be giving the timestamp in the description, guys. So if you want to watch this pile, you can click on the timestamp, guys. So we are starting the reading for the second pile. Heart, garden, mice, birds, stock. Some positive and some negative cards are here, guys, again. So with these cards, the energy is that in this relationship you share that you share that team spirit. You share a great understanding with this person, and you may be getting some good news. Maybe this person is coming with some important announcements, some plans for your future together, guys, or some kind of improvements in your relationship. Maybe you want to move forward with that deep commitment, maybe engagement or marriage. You're planning for engagement or marriage, or you're planning to start a family. So that is also what I see here, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person is using you, maybe using your time, energy, or using you in a financial way, guys. And you may feel that you are losing your time and energy because of them, or your health, or some kind of in some situations even your peace of mind, maybe because of how things are in your what to say, in your situation. Maybe this person maybe taking your counsel, or maybe trying to use you in some ways, maybe because you are better off than them. So that may be the energy. And also, for some of you, you may be taking counsel from your friends or family regarding this connection. You want to speak openly to your close friends or your siblings, someone who will give you that proper guidance. And also, guys, a few of you feel burdened in this relationship. Maybe you are the person responsible, you are making some important decisions for this connection, so you feel responsible in some ways. That is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you, you want to spend time with them. You are going out to a party, having dinner, or some kind of activity together. That is also the energy here, guys. So there is compassion and affection and love, but in some ways you may feel this person is using you, or making use of you financially, or making use of your knowledge in some way. And that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love reading. Thank you for watching this video, guys. That is the reading with these cards. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.